Hi, let me show you how to use Emergency SOS on iPhone. So for that, we need to start by going in Settings and here find Feature Emergency SOS. Now, by default, you will see that this feature called with hold and release is activated, so the switch is green, which means that you can continuously hold power button on the right side of the phone and either volume up or down buttons together, and it will trigger emergency SOS. Of course, I'm not gonna call emergency services, but just show you this as an example. Now you can also activate call with 5 button presses, which means that you can just press this side button 5 times to trigger emergency SOS. Now, if you want to, you can enable to call quietly, so warning, alarms, flashes, and voice-over audio will be silenced when using hold and release or 5 button presses to place an emergency call. And I suggest you to enable call after a severe crash, because if you're in a car crash, iPhone can automatically call emergency services. And it will start a countdown and sound an alarm before they call. And of course, the last thing you can do is to set up emergency contacts in this Health app. So just click here, make sure that you set up your medical ID, and then find section Emergency Contacts. Now, by clicking on the plus, you can choose any contact from this list and then set a relationship with that person. So as you can see, there are a lot of options as well as friend, which is I'm gonna choose, and tap down to save changes. Now you will see this person in the medical ID as well as in the emergency SOS section. So only mobile phone numbers can receive emergency SOS alerts. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.